Helene Shephard. Welcome to Sanctuary, a smart address where you come home, put your walkers on and stroll just 50 metres to the magic of White Rock. Natural bushland, wildlife, parks, walking tracks. This is the reason you will say yes to 23 White Rock Drive. It's a new destination for you and an evolving area where your function for your family is on point. The home is designed for contemporary ease. It's full of light, it's fresh, it's modern, and your location will literally change your life. I welcome your call to discover all of this, ready for you right now.